All right. So right now, it is January 24th, Saturday, 8:40 p.m. This is what's called the calm before the storm. Because apparently, we're supposed to have a crap ton of snow hitting a majority of the country, but right here I'm in Connecticut, Hartford County. So this is what the roads look like the night before the storm. I'm gonna check out some stores. We're gonna go to Walmart, Target, go to some supermarkets and see what they have in stock. See if they have anything on the shelf still. Let's go.
Your husband is coming.
All right, so we just got to Walmart. Let's see what it's looking like. Mobile pickup is full. That line is full. Everybody's trying to get food before the storm comes. Let's see what the parking lot looks like. We got a lot of cars here, but it's not full. It's not full yet. Let's see. We got people running around trying to get food. We got more people over here. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Come on, man. You know these people in Connecticut don't know how to drive. Come on, man. As you can see, there's a bunch of cars parked up front. It's chaos. People are parking all over the place. What is going on here? Oh my goodness. All this for some waffles. I bet a lot of these people came here to buy waffles. What does this guy got? Doritos? You think you're gonna survive the storm with some Doritos? Here we go. What is he doing with his tongue? Go ahead, go ahead. They came to get water and Pepsi. Okay. I doubt you're gonna survive the storm with water and Pepsi. I see no gummy bears. I see no, but this guy just came for a bottle of water. Okay. Okay. All right. We're going inside. Oh my God, it's cold as crap out here. I'm about to freeze my nuts off. Oh shoot, let's go. Gotta get inside. Oh, damn, it's cold. It's not even, it's less than 10 degrees out here. People got blankets and shit. Jesus. Jesus. We made it. All right, what happened to all the onions? Who the hell took all the onions? One tomato, come on. One tomato, you gotta be fucking, you gotta be kidding me. Let's see what else we got. Empty. 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 Where are the bananas? Where are the bananas? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be freaking, well, they got the banana keeper. That's good enough, that's good enough. Let's see what else. That's good enough. I can use this. What the hell is he doing in that cart? I could use this. Oh, shoot. Let's see if they got the Lucky Charms. Oh, they better have the Lucky Charms. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh, see? This is exactly why I had to come here earlier. These idiots and took all the Lucky Charms. Shit. Shit. Damn it. Oh. Nope. No, I don't see it. How you doing? You too. How you doing? Thank you.
My phalanges.
All right, people. Next store, store number 2, Target. We already got the police out here waiting. Seems like there's been some activity over here. Let's see. Walmart. It was a good amount of people. It wasn't that packed. A lot of the food was gone. Let's see what Target looks like. Let's go inside. All right, we made it. A bunch of trash outside. Let's see what we got. Look, icy. The line is long. Let's see. A lot of people in line. Let's go this way over here. Cut through. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Let's see. Chicken. Milk. Yes.